In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add widgets on your Windows 11 home screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the widgets on Windows 11 and how to enable them. So all that you have to do is go over to the settings, access the personalization category, and go to taskbar. You will find the widgets option available here. So they have added widgets, but they have to be enabled through the taskbar. So enable the option, and now if you hover over your taskbar, you will see at the bottom left corner the widgets icon pop up. So click on this and you will be brought into the widgets page. So you will see the current date, some insights, news, and you can refresh the stories, you can browse through other options, you can watch videos, watch content, and so on. So if you want to add specific channels, go into the following tab and add whatever it is that you would like to see on your feed. So you can pick your interests to better tailor this widgets feed. At the left, you also have the option to add new widgets. So they are going to have some by default, such as games, markets, the weather, traffic, and if you click the plus sign, you can add official ones. So they will have instant play, phone link, sports, tips, and so on. If you click on find more widgets, you will be brought into the Microsoft Store where you can add new ones. So you will have stuff like Spotify, Facebook, and all of these can be added to the widgets tab that you see at the bottom left corner of the screen. It is easy to set up and everything will be tailored to you. Your region should be selected by default, but if you notice that it is off, go into the Windows settings and make sure that the region set up on Windows is correct. That way, this feed for the widgets will be changed accordingly. And you have full access to all of them by clicking on the option at the bottom left corner of the screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to add widgets on Windows 11 home screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.